Hi, I'm about to play a fun piece of music called Peter Piper. It was written by Juno award-winning Canadian composer Frank Mills and is taken from his Easy Popular Piano Pieces book. I had the pleasure to hear him perform this piece live in concert. Please enjoy. I hope you enjoyed that song. I would highly recommend it to all of my piano students to learn, practice, and perform it. A fun activity to incorporate in your practice is to practice reciting the tongue twister, Peter Piper, while you're playing the group of eighth notes. So here's an example of using the tongue twister, Peter Piper, and playing the eighth note patterns at the same time. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, how many pickled peppers did Peter pick? If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, how many pickled peppers did Peter pick? I hope that provided you with a good example of how to play eighth notes. You can also recite the words by going like this: Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Now you can speed it up so it's eighth note rhythm. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. It's a good way to practice eighth notes and a fun challenge for your brain as well. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out AAG Music for more videos.